What's up everyone? I'm going to show you how I repurposed and did a style makeover on old dried out hair using Smooth and Shine's Weightless styling gel in only 90 minutes air drying.
What's up everyone? This is Tia Kirby. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute since I brought you some hair content. I partnered with NaturallyCurly and also Smooth and Shine yet again to show you one of their other products, which is their Weightless styling gel. Well, I wanted to put it to a test, so instead of doing a wash and go or anything like that, I wanted to create a hairstyle on my stretched hair where my hair and my curls were stretched. So I had this old frizzy, worn out roller set that is just not seeing its best day. And I have a lot going on, so I want to repurpose the style and take advantage of my hair being stretched. So that's where this baby comes in, using the Weightless styling gel. So if you want to see how I created these defined curls, then definitely stay tuned because you are in the right place. To give this video a thumbs up and like and comment below and let me know what you think of the style and how my hair turned out using the product. Alright, if you want to learn more about this Weightless styling gel, then stay tuned.
For this style, we're using one product and one product only. That's Smooth and Shine's Weightless styling gel formulated with flaxseed oil and coconut oil. It gives you shiny holds with no flakes or residue. It hydrates and conditions, leaving your hair with less breakage, and you can use it on damp or dry hair. As you can see, I'm actually using it on my stretched dry hair, and we are going to completely make over and repurpose this old, tired, what used to be roller set. So now I'm just going in and applying it to small sections. I've used a rat tail comb to create small cornrowed sections, and I'm just using a white tooth comb to comb through it, working my way from the ends all the way up to the root. Then I apply the Smooth and Shine styling gel to my hair, only a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, applying a little bit to my fingertips, starting and applying it at the ends, then working it all the way down. Then I begin to flat twist my hair at the scalp and twisting it all the way down. At the ends, I'm leaving about an inch free and applying a little bit more of the styling gel, then applying a perm rod, just wrapping it and curling it up, and put the top on, and voila. And then I'll repeat these same steps on each small section, creating cornrows using flat twist. So as you can see, I am loving the gel, and a little bit truly goes a long way. It's very lightweight, very moisturizing, and I love it because it didn't make my hair feel sticky or dried out. On top of that, the formula smells great, and it's a very, very lightweight scent, which is perfect if you are like me and have a strong sense of smell. As you can see, I'm doing this on my stretched dry hair. This is great because you can use this particular styling gel because it's so lightweight. You can use it on relaxed hair, straightened hair, or even, of course, natural hair if you'd like. I believe this gel would actually even be great using in a wash and go if I decided to do so. So this particular gel, of course, in packaging, you saw on the bottle actually comes from their straight line, but you can see that the product is so versatile. So I let my hair air dry for about 45 minutes, and look how great. It gave me great definition in my curls, and watch as I'm pulling it apart. My hair isn't sticky, it isn't stiff, and it has amazing definition. I didn't sit under the dryer, and I was able to just walk around, and this is why I only used a little bit of the gel so that my hair wasn't so weighed down and I could take it down quick. So if you're going to work or needing to repurpose it and had just a crazy bad hair day and need a quick style, then this is perfect. Look how shiny and fluffy and bouncy my curls are. And most importantly, and even better, do you see I'm taking my hair down and I have 0 flakes in my hair. If you follow my channel, then you know that my hair is prone to flakage, especially whenever I apply gel to it and I begin to take it down. I usually always have flakes using gel, so Smooth and Shine kicks butt every single time. Tell me what you think below, and I want to know, have you tried any of Smooth and Shine's new product, their curl or straight line? If so, which ones have you tried, which ones do you love, or which ones are you excited to try? As always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.